What if you could make money online without creating your own product? That's exactly what affiliate marketing is. And in 2026, this is one of the easiest ways to start earning online. Let me explain it in the simplest way possible. Affiliate marketing means you promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through your link you earn a commission. That's it. No more inventory, no more shipping, no more customer service. Now here's why this is powerful. Some companies pay small commissions but others pay a lot. I'm talking about $50, $100, even $500 per sale. These are called high-ticket affiliate programs. And this is where things get interesting. Instead of selling cheap products, you focus on promoting high-value services. For example, web hosting, software subscriptions, online tools, or business platforms. These companies make a lot of money so they can afford to pay you higher commissions. Now let's talk about how you can start. Step 1. Choose a niche. Don't promote everything. Pick one category. For example, technology, AI tools, online business, or productivity. Step 2. Find affiliate programs. Look for products that people already need, have good reviews, and offer recurring commissions if possible. Step 3. Create content. This is the most important part. You can create YouTube video, short video, or even simple websites. Your goal is to help people solve a problem. For example, best tools for beginners or how to build a website. Top 5 tools for making money. Then you recommend the product and include your affiliate link. Step 4. Drive traffic. You can use YouTube, TikTok, or search traffic. The more people see your content, the more clicks you get. And the more clicks means more money. Now let's talk about realistic income. At the beginning, you might earn nothing. That's normal. But once your content starts getting views, you can make your first commission. Then it grows. Some people make a few $100s per month. Others scale it to thousands. And the best part? Affiliate marketing can become passive. You create content once and it can generate income for months or even years. Now here's a mistake most beginners make. They focus on selling. Don't do that. Focus on helping. When you help people make better decisions, they will trust you. And when they trust you, they will buy through your link. Finally, let me give you one powerful tip. Promote tools you actually understand. Because when you know the product, your content becomes more convincing, and your conversion rate increases. Affiliate marketing is not a shortcut, but it is one of the smartest ways to build an online income in 2026. So start today. Pick a niche, create content, and build your first affiliate income stream. If you want more high-income tech strategies like this, make sure to subscribe.